Current Affairs, March 2025. Question number 1. How much funding has the KPK Chief Minister released to KPK Police to fulfill the needs of Police Department on March 19, 2025? 3.5 billion, 5.5, 8.5 billion. The correct answer, 0.5 billion. Actually, 5.5 billion amount was allotted for Police Department, KPK. Turkish university cancelled the Istanbul's mayor's Ekrem İmamoğlu degree due to corruption, court case, American consul order. The correct court case due to court cases, Turkish university declared that he cancelled the Istanbul's mayor's degree. Who is the recent crown of Saudi Arabia? Mohammed bin Naif, Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud, Abdul bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud. Actually, all three members are crown of Saudi Arabia, but the recent crown of Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud. Pakistan rank of World Happiness Index Report 2025. 105, 109, 115. The correct answer, 109. Pakistan ranked 109 in World Happiness Index report, which is higher than India. Which company receives temporary registration in Pakistan as mentioned in the IT Minister Shahzad Fatma's statement? SpaceX, Starlink, OneWeb, SES Network. The correct answer, recently Pakistan IT Minister Shahzad Fatma given the statement a temporary registration is allowed for Starlink. What incident occurred at Kavish Plaza on Karachi Shahra Faisal Road on March 2025? Earthquake, flood, fire, gas leak. The correct fire incident was occurred on Karachi Shahra Faisal, the famous plaza, Kavish Plaza. How long was the tourist trapped under the snow at an avalanche in northern Norway? 5 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. The correct answer, hours. It is a very impossible event occurred. 7 hours a person remained in snow but he is alive. At what age did senior JUIF leader Hafiz Hussain Ahmed passed away? 70, 74, 78, 80. The correct answer, 4 years. Hafiz Hussain Ahmed passed at the age of 74 years. What specific event coincide with the Parsi community? Thanksgiving, winter solstice, summer, spring equinox. Actually, recent spring equinox was celebrated by Parsi community for Thanksgiving of God. Thank you very much.